How to fix Fortnite crashes. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go near Epic Games and here you have to click on the Fortnite. Now once you search for the Fortnite, you have to open up your profile and here you have to click on the settings. Now once you're in, you have to scroll down and here is the option of the support. You have to tap on it. Now once you're in, you have to click on the contact us and here you have to log in your account. You have to simply click on the login. Now here you have to sign in your account in which your Epic Games account will be login. Here you have to select your Google account or any account that you are using. After selecting your account, you have to add your date of birth and continue this. Now once you are in the main page, here is the option of the submit a report. You have to simply submit your report, like you have to add your name, username, email, and here you have to describe your problem. You have to add the fix the Fortnite crashes. Here is the option of the how do I fix Fortnite crash and technical. You have to simply submit this report. So after submitting the report, you have to wait for the response. So yeah, this is how you can fix Fortnite crashes.